Hello everyone, I am Coder Singh and today I will be making tutorials on solving a couple of problems which has been given by one of my friend. So let's see what are the problems, the questions first of all. Let me open the image of the question and we'll try to rotate it and so he told me to solve these six questions. So I'm gonna go one by one. Display first 1000 even numbers. So I guess the picture quality is not that good, but I hope you are able to see over here. Display first 1000 even numbers over here. So it's for those who are new to coding and would love to know how we can code and the way we should be coding, then I think it's gonna be very beneficial for those people, and I hope you're gonna learn something new out of it, and it's gonna help you out. So let's start going by creating a new file called maybe 1.py. We can say that. So we want okay, whatever it is, enable piloting. So we want even numbers. We want even numbers till 1000. So it's gonna be very easy for us. So we're gonna do for I in range 2 to 1000. So if I a percent percent is basically modulus gives us remainder. So we have to check if the number is completely divisible by 2 and the remainder is 0, which means it's completely divisible, then we're gonna print the number, else we're not gonna do anything. So let's run this particular program. It's very simple one, and those who are familiar with that, what is the even number are the numbers which are divisible by 2. And so we're gonna go and create a new file called 2.py. Okay, I misspell it. It's a typo basically. 2 TWO. Yeah, I was confused so for a moment. So accept name from the user and display how many capital letters are there in the name. So it's quite a tricky one. What we're gonna do, we're gonna search the internet for the ASCII values in the Python. So ASCII values are the values, number values which are given to the characters on the keyboard itself. I don't know what is the problem, why the Chrome is not opening. So it's open. ASCII and Python. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna check the ASCII value of that particular function, and we're gonna get it. So we're just gonna try on the console. We're gonna go do Python 3. You guys must be having it. So we're gonna go for let's suppose x is equals to a, and we're gonna do ord x. Let's see what we get. We got 65. So we're gonna do y. We're gonna do directly ord z. Okay, so we have character from 65 to 90. If they are there, then it's a capital one. So we're gonna do Control D to get out of it. We're gonna clear the console. You're gonna go over here. We're gonna take the input first. So we're gonna take any name is equals to input, enter some value, and we're gonna loop through the name. Let's suppose for n in name, we're gonna do that, and we're gonna get the ASCII value, ASCII n. I guess it's two i's in it, so we're gonna do ord. We're gonna do n. So if n is more than equal to 65, or and n is less than equal to 90, we're gonna have a counter over here. We're gonna say cap letter CNT is equals to 0. Your naming conventions should be strong, so we're gonna make it capital letter CNT count. CNT will work, uh, and you're going to do capital letter plus equal to 1. So what is happening over here, we are looping through each and every character. Let's suppose we have the input is coder, so the first character will be C, and we're gonna get the ASCII value of that particular C, if it's a capital letter or a small letter. So let's see how many, and if it's between that particular ASCII value, then we're gonna increment the number by 1. So we're gonna print capital letters count in we're gonna say name is, we're gonna say capital letter count. So we're gonna run this particular thing, python 3, and we're gonna go for 2.py, enter some value. We're gonna decoder Singh unordered type string. Okay, so we're gonna what is the problem over here? It says that it is unorderable type string, and we are comparing with an integer over there. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna convert it to typecast it to integer by just placing the int in front of it. So let's hope for the best this time. Enter some value, coder Singh. Okay, it's again a string. Okay, I'm so sorry. I should have put that particular thing. We don't need the int, I guess so. So that was the problem. You guys must have seen it. That was a stupid typo. So yes, as you can see, capital letters count in coder Singh is 2. So you can see C and S are capital letters. So I will not clear it in case you want to see something. So the third one is, you can see from here if you want to see. So the third one is accept marks of 3 subjects out of 100. Display the total marks, percentage of the marks, and grade. Calculate the grade as follows. If percentage is 70, let me check the another file as well. I have 2.jpg. Okay, it is not a full file. So if the percentage is more than 70, then grade is distinction, then first class, second class, and else it's fail. So we have to find the total marks, percentage of marks, and the grade. No worries, we're gonna get it. So we're gonna go for 3.py. We're gonna get three marks. So we're gonna mark it mark 1 int input marks 1. We're gonna make it marks only over there. So we're gonna cut paste it. So we're gonna hold the alt key. Okay, we hold the old alt key over here, and then backspace 2. Hold alt key over here and backspace 3. So we have the marks. We have to calculate the percentage. So percentage will be marks 1 plus marks 2 plus marks 3, sum of all these marks. Okay, we have to show the total as well. We're gonna go for total marks, and we're gonna get the percentage from here. So we're gonna total marks divided by 3, and so let's print out this only first. So total marks and the percentage we're gonna print out over here. So python 3, we're gonna go for 3.py. So I got maybe 80 in the first one, 45 in this one, 67 in the one. So I got 64%. I don't know if it's right or wrong. So 7 and 2 on 80, 45, 67. Let's try one more time, because I want to see if it's printing out the decimal point as well correctly. So we're gonna go for all. It's okay, fine. That was a bad one. 65, 73, 45. Again 61.0 something. So it should have come something. If you can see 5 plus 5 is 10 and 13, it should have come something 3 or some point 0.5 or something. So what we are going to do, we're going to add a 0 behind it, and we're going to try with the same values again. So we're going to go for 65 again, 73 again, and 45 again. So it's going to print out the same value. Okay, maybe it is right. So 183 divided by 3 is something. Okay, yes, it's 61 only. So what are we going to do? We're going to do 66, 73, and 45. So this is how we guys actually code. So it's, I'm not editing the video or something like that. I'm just showing my approach of doing the code. And so yes, no issues with the 0 1. So I guess that happens in Node.js. So now we have to calculate the grade, and according to the percentage, the grade will be there. So if percentage is more than 70, more than equal to 70, so we're gonna mark the grade as fail only, first of all, and if it's gonna change, then it's gonna change. uh, distinction. If there's a typo, then please ignore. So we're gonna go for LF. Okay, so it's the grade percentage between less than equal to 60 and, sorry, more than equal to 60, and percentage less than 70. Then we're gonna grade should be first class. And similarly, we're gonna just copy paste this particular thing and paste it over here. Okay, fine. We're gonna change the value 50 and 60. So below 60 is fail, I guess so. Yes, so the below 60 is fail. So what I have done over here, instead of adding an else statement, I have assumed that the person is failing, and if he has percentage more than 70, then distinction and first class and grade second class. So this how we saved one line, which is of else. So you can follow this thing, but it can be quite ambiguous why we have taken fail if someone else is reading this code. So you can just put a comment assuming fail as decision, something like that. Okay, so we're gonna print out the grade as well now. Okay, so we're gonna go for 76, 54, 88. So yes, I got this distinction because I have more than 72. Let's go for list marks 12, 32, 41. So I failed because my percentage was 28. So this one is done. So accept product of the number. Okay, I need to check again on this particular one, which is accept a number and display factorial of the number. So accept a number and display factorial of that particular number. This is the fourth one. So we're gonna go for for.py and num again, and input enter num, and we're gonna get a factorial. So factorial is basically for while num is not equal to 1. So we're gonna product is gonna be 1. So what we're gonna do, the factorial is basically multiplying the number till 1. So we're gonna, if the number is 3, then we're gonna multiply 3 and 2. If the number is 4, we're gonna multiply 4, 3 and 2. So you must have got the point. So I have taken a while statement over here. So we're gonna do num minus 1 minus equal to 1 each and every time, and over here we're gonna write the logic over here. So product is basically into equal to num. That is all. This is the particular code of it. So print, so we're gonna say factorial of num is, we're gonna say product. So you could have taken any other name, but instead of product, it's product is also fine basically. So we're gonna go for 3. We're gonna, so it's 6. I'm gonna go for 4. So it's 24. The 6 into 4 is 24. So this one was easy. Okay, now we have display the following series over here. If you can see, we have 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 and 5 5. Okay, this is pretty easy, like really easy, just because of Python. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go for a for loop for I in range 1 to 6, because the last one is till 6, so the first 6 is not included. So we're gonna go for out is equals to I str of I into I, and we're gonna print out, and we're gonna say end equals to this one. And let's see what's gonna print, is if it's gonna print the same thing, okay, or not, or something else. So those who have got it, they must have. So we have what we have: 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 and 5 5, as you can see over here. So the only problem is spacing. So this is one approach we can deal with. And if you want to talk about spacing, then okay, fine, we can have the spacing as well over here. And let's make it in brackets so it's more readable, and it will be easy for the developers to check out. So it's 1 2 2 3 3. So spacing are perfect over here now. You don't need this one, and it's gonna work pretty good now. So as you can see, 1 2 2 5 5, and each and everything is being printed over here. Only this one, this is the one which is an issue over here. We're gonna check out what is, we're gonna print the values as well, and let's see. So print I, let's print the I as well with it. 1 1 2 2 2 2 3 3 4. I don't know why this one is coming. So if you guys know why that one is coming, then do let me know in comments, because I seriously don't know why that is happening. This is happening for the first time with me. So accept 10 numbers and display the maximum of those 10 numbers. So I guess there's a function in Python called max, Python 3 max function, I guess. So yes, we do have a max function over there. So what are we going to do? Let's go for the sixth one, 6.py for I in range 1 to 6. We can do 1 to 6 or 0 5, whatever suits you. Okay, I'm gonna go for 1 to 6. So we're gonna do we're gonna create a list, num list, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna append, we're gonna get the number is equals to int num, okay, sorry, input, enter num. So yeah. So if there are any typos, then do ignore them, because the whole point of this tutorial is to get you educated. Append, we're gonna append. So we have created a list over here. We're gonna append the values over here. We want how many values? 5. We want 10 values. So apparently we'll be going for 11, because it is still, as I told you, it is still not equal to part of them. So we're gonna append each and every one of them, and we're gonna print out the max of the num list. So this is how it is. This is a very easy one. So if your examiner or your mentor, whatever, is not looking for uh, the actual logical code, then you can obviously have this particular approach. So as you can see, I just deliberately I did 1 2 1 1 2 3, and over here I did 9. So as you can see, the output is 9 over here. So thank you so much guys for watching the tutorial. If you like the tutorials and you want me to make these kind of tutorials for you guys, then do let me know. If you guys have any query regarding your projects or programs, and you are facing a problem, then definitely I can help you out and make tutorials on it so that you get the solutions, and you get to see them how they have been created, actually how they have been created. And I don't think that's it took me much long time. So thank you so much for watching the tutorials. If you like this tutorial, then do like it, subscribe my channel, and share it with your friends, and because it really motivates me to make new videos for you guys. Thank you so much guys.